guys, welcome to another vlog. This week we are in Zakynthos. I think it's one of the best Greek islands out there. It's so nice, and I've been here a few times. I just think every time I'm here it's amazing. There's so many nice things to do and lots going on. We've got lots planned. Going to be going over to Porta, real nice little diving spot. We're going to be going on the boat, on a boat trip. We're going to do some exploring on the quad bikes. Yeah, and just chilling around this really nice villa, which I will show you right now. So this is a nice little outdoor barbecue area. I mean, it's so nice to do this back home in England. And then you've got the main house there. Some lovely outdoor seating. And then look at that. The pool. Fantastic, isn't it? Big front room. Nice sofa. So just arrived at a place called Porta on the west of the island. Check this out. Really nice. Loads of people jump off this cliff bit here. Such a nice view. And then this is the beach club, where we just sat here on some sunbeds. There's Charles, and there's my brother. Amazing scenes though. You gonna jump off?
Yeah, man.
Oh, not feeling it. Walking down the rocky slope to the jump. Right guys, it's another day on the island. We've just come down for a coffee to another little spot we haven't tried yet. Looks alright, I'll show you in a minute. Yesterday was really cool. Went to Porta, which was nice. Had some really nice food, and the sea is just so clear, it's amazing. And just today we are going to go down to Banana Beach. I'll check that out, see how it's going down there. It's a beach club. Looks pretty cool. And yeah, just get some food, relax, and yeah, see what else is going on today. But yeah, here's your other two Muppets. Cheers mate, thank you. How's your coffee?
Fantastic.
Brilliant. So just arrived at No Beach, south of the island. Came here the other day. It's really good. So we'll come back again. What are you doing? come down to the gym in Zakynthos. It is called Golden Gym. There's one of them. Not a bad gym, is it? Proper old school. Get weirdos like this though. Get the state of him. Yeah, decent gym. Right, go on, you gotta try this sea bass tartare. That. Yeah, go on, get it in your mouth then. Never had tartare before. Any good?
Fuck nah, fucking hell.
No?
Nah. Oh,
It's a no on the tartare.
nah, fuck.
Right, so we're getting on a boat today. Mister!
Say, Mister.
You're shy now, aren't you?
What else?
Get some food, get whatever you want.
Cheese? Mister.
What are you getting him, Charles?
Fanta and an ice cream.
Good lad.
He's asking everybody.
That's fine.
We'll look
What
after
else do
him.
you want? We've got money in the till.
Yeah, yesterday he chooses a big thing.
We have money.
Are you happy with your stuff?
Anything else?
But I don't know whether he's a true.
Yeah.
More food?
You'll never know.
Oh.
But the guy there was sitting, he told us
For the baby.
to listen and not to
Anything else? Yeah?
You see it, child.
Are you happy?
Can it help them once?
Good stuff.
Exactly, that's what I thought.
Help them once and then that's
Say hi.
I agree for
Right, we've just gone and bought this kid a new shirt. Show us it. A Brazil shirt, bright yellow, so we keep our eyes on him.
25 fucking
25 euros. He's been spoilt tonight. Charles decked him out in the shop with a load of food. Now we've bought him a Brazil shirt, so we're gonna go give him it now, see what he says. Hopefully he likes it. Got to find him first.
Oh no.
Just back down Zakynthos port. We're trying to find the little kid that we couldn't find last night. Mister. Give him a shirt. For you. Wear it then, put it on. Put it on. Put your new shirt on, mate. Put your shirt on. Rafina. Yeah.
On.
On.
Yeah, on. Do it and
Go on, lad. Yeah, there you go. Looks smart. And we're back in Zante Old Town.
Is there any translator on or not?
Maybe later, yeah, maybe later.
If you come in later, free desserts or free shots.
Yeah. Sort of making you look famous here because we're vlogging. You're in front of me. I think it's really nice around here. Oh, not now, mate. Say hi.
Hi.
Hey.
You look like an SEO, by the way.
That's it.
CEO.
Oh, thank you, mate. Yeah, I'm the boss. See you.
You'll like that, won't you?
Yeah. Oh, it's on here.
You're like a CEO.
Hopefully you caught that. Right guys, so it's the last day today. Getting ourselves home about 6:30 tonight. So it's been an amazing week. And this villa has just been incredible. It's such an amazing place. So yeah, I think 10 days is enough. Get back to work, get back to the graft, and then plan the next trip, see what happens then. But yeah, it's so nice just to get away from the crappy English weather at times, isn't it? And just enjoy yourself. And yeah, I've been with my younger brother and his friend Charles. Well, he's my friend as well, so yeah, we've had a good time, the three of us. It's been really good fun. It's been a laugh as well. There's been some stupid moments, but yeah, this place has just been amazing. Probably the nicest villa I've stayed in. Really good. Thanks for watching the vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe. Never like saying that, but yeah, just trying to keep these coming. Plenty more to come throughout the summer. And yeah, I'll catch you all later on. See you soon.